Beginner's Guide to AI Trend Analysis Stock Market Step by Step. Have you ever wished you could see the future of the stock market? Imagine being able to spot when a stock is about to rise or when a market trend is starting before everyone else notices. That's exactly what AI trend analysis is helping investors do right now. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to AI Trend Analysis in the Stock Market, the simple, step-by-step way to understand how artificial intelligence is transforming how people invest, trade, and build wealth. Most people think investing is all about luck or timing, but the truth is, data always leaves a trail, and AI can read it faster and more accurately than any human ever could. Artificial intelligence is like a superpowered detective for the stock market. It scans through millions of data points, social media posts, financial news, company reports, even global events, and finds patterns that predict where the market might move next. Think about it this way. Before AI, investors would rely on gut feelings, technical charts, and the occasional tip from an expert. But now, algorithms can analyze decades of historical data, detect hidden correlations, and forecast potential price movements with shocking accuracy. This isn't magic, it's math and machine learning working together. So, how does AI trend analysis actually work? Let's break it down. AI uses models like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to detect trends. It looks at patterns in how prices behave over time, when they rise, fall, and why. For example, AI might notice that whenever oil prices increase, airline stocks tend to drop after a short delay. It doesn't just guess, it learns from past data and constantly updates its understanding. This allows investors to make decisions not based on emotions, but on probabilities backed by hard data. Here's the cool part. AI doesn't just look backward, it learns forward. That means it can take the patterns it has discovered and project them into the future. It can detect momentum before it becomes visible to everyone else. Imagine seeing a trend in renewable energy or electric vehicles months before the average investor even hears about it. That's the real power of AI. It gives you an informational edge in a world where timing is everything. Let's say you're just starting out. You don't need to be a programmer or a data scientist to use AI investing tools. There are beginner-friendly platforms like Trade Ideas, Caveout, and TrendSpider that already integrate AI-powered insights. These tools can show you trend predictions, pattern recognition, and even sentiment analysis, meaning they can tell you how people are feeling about a stock. Based on news and social media, you can test your strategies, practice with simulations, and learn as you go without risking real money right away. Now, let's talk about why trend analysis is so important. Trends are what move the market. Whether it's a bull run in tech stocks, a rotation into value investing, or a shift toward AI companies. Understanding trends gives you the power to position yourself early, but human investors often miss them because they're influenced by fear, greed, or simply too much information. AI filters all that noise out and focuses only on data that matters. It doesn't get emotional. It doesn't panic sell or buy out of hype. It simply calculates the most likely direction based on evidence. That's how professional hedge funds and institutional investors stay ahead. And now, thanks to AI, retail investors can do the same. But let's be real, no tool is perfect. AI doesn't predict the future with 100% accuracy. What it does is increase your chances of making better decisions consistently. Instead of guessing or reacting too late, you're acting proactively based on data-driven insights. Over time, this consistency is what separates smart investors from lucky ones. Think of it like driving with GPS instead of just following your instincts. You might still face traffic, but you'll always know the best route to take. Another key benefit of AI trend analysis is risk management. Because AI can detect when a trend is weakening or reversing, it can help you avoid major losses. It's like having a safety net built into your investing strategy. If the data shows a stock's momentum is fading, AI can alert you before it crashes. That allows you to adjust your portfolio quickly and protect your gains. In the world of investing, minimizing losses is just as important as finding winners. And AI helps with both. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, here's a simple step-by-step approach. Step 1. Choose a reliable AI investing platform. Look for one that provides transparent data and clear explanations of its predictions. Step 2. Start small. Use virtual trading or paper trading features to test how AI trend analysis works in real time. Step 3. Learn how to interpret the insights. Don't just follow signals blindly. Understand what they mean. The goal isn't to let AI replace you, but to let it assist you. Step 4. Stay consistent. AI works best with regular input and long-term observation. The more you use it, the more confident you'll become in spotting patterns yourself. Think about how much time you spend scrolling social media or watching random stock tips online. What if you redirected that same time into learning how AI interprets market movements? Within months, you could go from guessing trends to understanding them. You could recognize when tech stocks are overbought, when energy stocks are bottoming out, or when small-cap companies are starting to gain momentum. This is how everyday investors are quietly building wealth, by combining their intuition with machine intelligence. AI trend analysis isn't just for stock traders either. It's also changing how people invest in ETFs, crypto, real estate funds, and even commodities. The technology adapts to any asset class because, at its core, it studies human behavior patterns and market data. The same principles that detect trends in the S&P 500 can be used to analyze Bitcoin or gold. That's why learning AI trend analysis now gives you a lifelong advantage across all types of investments. And here's the most important mindset shift. Don't think of AI as a shortcut. Think of it as a smart tool that amplifies your discipline. The real winners in the next generation of investors will be those who know how to combine human insight with machine intelligence. I won't make you rich overnight, but it can help you grow your wealth steadily, safely, and intelligently over time. So, if you're serious about learning how to invest smarter, not harder, this is your sign. Start exploring AI-powered investing tools today, even if it's just to see what patterns they discover. The more you understand how AI sees the market, the better you'll become at navigating it yourself. If this video helped you understand how AI trend analysis can change your investing journey, make sure to like, comment, and share it with someone who's trying to build financial freedom. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep, simple, and actionable videos that will help you master money, technology, and the future of investing. The next big market trend is already forming. The question is, will you recognize it before everyone else does?